Hey, um, today we are going to be continuing on with our talk that we talked about envisioning and kind of seeing something in your head before it gets to the paper. And so today we're going to practice that by making a story. And so today you are going to need a pencil and a piece of paper. And if you want to color, you may do that. What you're going to need to do is divide your paper into four. So you can either draw those lines or you can fold it and fold it. And then it will be the four squares. And then label those 1, 2, and 3. And those are going to be little scenes from your story. So you'll have kind of a beginning, some middle things, and kind of an ending to your story. Sorry, that light is really bright. And so I'm going to give you one to start with that I want you to do for sure. And then on the back side of your paper, I'm going to have you do another one, but I'm going to give you some choices for that one. So um, in all of this, you may pause the video after each one so that you can get to where you need to go to. So probably pause now, get your paper ready. And then, so here is the first one that everyone's going to do. So here's your story. A space meteor is from deep, dark space, comes and hits Earth. There's bacteria covering this meteorite that starts to grow and affect the plant life on Earth and then mutates and becomes a swarm of aliens. So that's your first one. So on your first side of your paper, you're going to write, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then make a scene for each one. So once again, um, a meteor from deep, dark space comes and hits Earth, and it's covered in space bacteria. And the bacteria takes over the plant life on Earth and makes a swarm of aliens. Pause now for that one. And then you are going to have three choices for what you do on the backside. You can choose the one you like the best. So one of them is there is a war between humans and dragons, and you are out near the mountains looking for food when you find a tiny ice dragon. And this ice dragon helps you to find the food, and together you and the ice dragon end the war between humans and dragons. If you need to rewind that, you can. Choice number two, you are in your bedroom and you find a spider and you capture it in a jar and you put it on your dresser. And in the morning, when you wake up, the spider is now human sized. That's choice number two. If you need to rewind to hear it again, you can do that. And choice number three is the one that gives you the most space to use your imagination. So, choice number three is the music stopped. Everyone turned around and saw, and the rest is up to you. So on one side of your paper, you're doing the first story about space meteorite. And then on the back side, you may choose whatever one you want. And then save those so we can talk about that next time. All right. See ya. I miss you.